Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Introducing Flightline and As the Rotor Turns. We'll have that coming right up. "2019 is going to be a great year on BillTheDroneReviewer. I have a lot of great things coming up. Two of them are Flightline and As the Rotor Turns. I'm going to play the intro for Flightline right now. Okay, what Flightline is specifically going to be dealing with will be things specific to drones, meaning anything that would involve tutorials about drones, getting drones up in the air, any accessory reviews, any reviews on drones, anything directly related to getting the drone up and flying is going to be called under Flightline. Also, a very exciting thing on Flightline is very shortly, within the next coming few weeks, I'll be having a website available, and on that website, my specific line of swag is going to be called Flightline. So stay tuned for that. And you've probably already seen the swag that we'll be having listed on there. There will be an embroidered hat, there will be a coffee mug, and there will also be t-shirts available. Introducing As the Rotor Turns. Let's take a look at that clip. Okay, now As the Rotor Turns is going to be dealing specifically with news regarding drones, and that's going to include events, that's going to include anything that's FAA related, that's going to include any type of news articles about drones. Anything that is newsworthy about drones is going to be including in As the Rotor Turns. So when you see the introduction for Flightline, you know that this video will be specifically about drone and drone flight. When you see the introduction for As the Rotor Turns, you know this will be related to drone news or drone events. Question of the day: what do you think of Flightline and As the Rotor Turns? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.